Here we are.
Towards the afternoon, we'll get up to around 30.
Of a snowstorm in 2012.
Wind gust up to around 30 miles per hour. Tonight,
we're looking to get 7 inches
and
of snow.
A wintry mix also, including some freezing drizzle. We're going to drop back to around 27.
We're going to see what we get out here. Gotta go to Midland now.
We've got tons of sun and clouds Friday.
We're going to get some snow in the ground and kill us a fucking Pope and Young, buddy.
Reminding you to listen to Sean Hannon. Free year-round admission.
Getting pretty bad out now. Getting pretty bad. Here we are on the Parkway East. And it's coming down. Here we are a little bit farther into the storm and it's fucked. Here, let's watch me slam on my brakes. It don't work, you just slide. So, let's hope we make it back to the shop. 376 is covered. There's wrecks everywhere. Chaos, people. Chaos. Here we are. I just slid all the way down this hill. I almost wrecked. Got a couple cars behind us off the side of the road. Big truck coming down. It's gonna wreck, I think. Stuck. These cars are not making it up that hill. Here we are, PA Turnpike. Finally got above 20 some. Now I'm going 40 and it's fucking scary. So let's hope we can make it back. The tractor trailers that were in front of me just pulled off because they can't make it up this hill. So here we are in a van, rear wheel drive. No fun, I'm scared. This is not worth $9 an hour. Amen. Pennsylvania Turnpike. It's fucked. Tractor trailers, they gave up. I'm about to pull off the road. Because if you see the other lane, there ain't moving, buddy. Wrecks everywhere. We're almost hitting 40, which I think's a little too fast. But this is fucking insane. Look at this crazy motherfucker. Asshole. PA Turnpike, buddy. This is nuts. Pure ice storm now, mixed with snow. And I can say one thing. These roads are slick as ice, buddy. I'm scared. I'm about an hour into my run from Beaver Falls. Normally takes me about 30 minutes. I'm still not even close, so let's hope I can return back. Sliding right now. I'm going to get off this camera.